Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to tap on see all 45 apps, of course 45 in my case, and from this step all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got reset up preferences, and after tapping on it your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your MOTOROLA Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.